According to the middle knowledge position, God not only knows everything that could happen and everything that will happen, but he also has this knowledge of what would happen under any set of circumstances that you might imagine. And so, by knowing how people would freely choose in any set of circumstances God places them in, God can be providentially in charge of a world of free creatures without abridging or abusing their freedom. He simply knows what circumstances to place people in, knowing how they would freely choose in those circumstances. And so this is a beautiful reconciliation of divine sovereignty and human freedom. And it also gives God foreknowledge of the future, because knowing his own decree to create people in certain circumstances and then having knowledge of how they would freely choose if placed in those circumstances, immediately he has knowledge of future free acts of people.